Hello ladies and gents, this is Henryk. I am here with my phone today because we will be pretending we are booking an appointment for a roofing company. So one way to do it that I've set it up is I just made a quick website and put a chatbot here, and in this chatbot we can put your number in there. So I'm going to put mine in, and when we press this call button, the backend stuff will happen and I should get a phone call on my phone.
Hey, welcome to Agent Roofing. What did you need help with?
Hey, I was wondering if I can book an appointment. I need my roof fixed.
Okay, can you tell me what day and time you'd like to book your appointment for?
Is there any spots available for Monday at 11?
Okay, let me check the calendar for that. Unfortunately, the 11 a.m. slot on Monday is already booked. How about 10 a.m. or 1 p.m. on Monday instead?
Can we do 3 p.m?
Okay, great. Let's go ahead and book you for Monday at 10 a.m. Can I please get your name and email address so I can confirm the appointment?
No, I wanted 3 p.m, not 10.
Okay, no problem. We have Monday at 3 p.m. available. Can I please get your name and email address to confirm the appointment?
Yeah, my name is Henryk and the email is h@gmail.com.
Okay, great. I've booked an appointment for you on Monday at 3 p.m. Your name is Henryk and the email is h@gmail.com. I look forward to seeing you then. Have a great rest of your day.
No worries, thank you very much.
Goodbye. Thank you for calling Agent Roofing. Have a great rest of your day.
Yeah, so what happened in the background is we had a make scenario here. All I'm doing is grabbing a webhook from Voiceflow and then we're putting it through a OpenAI completion, and I've got a few tasks. For example, analyze the transcript and extract the email, and its transcript is given to us from the webhook. It then goes through a JSON, so it passes the messages that is outputted from this. So you have to write a bit of JSON there. Then all this is put into our Airtable, and the call ID, the booking time, extracted email, the name of the person who called. And what we've done is I've just set it up here just to show you guys that it's even possible. So we've got the time booked, which is Monday at 3 p.m. We've got the email, which is right actually. She didn't say it properly, so I might have to teach her how to say .com. My name is close, Henryk here, and it was created on that time, so you can actually see when the call was also done. Okay, so I'll show you guys a little bit of what's happening and what I'm using. So the main thing that I'm using to call is actually bland. So I'm using all this here, the scheme is here. So for the send call, you need the authorization, which is given to you by bland. Inside of bland, you also get your key from there. The key given to you by bland, and you can get them here, or when you make your agent, when you type stuff into the prompt, you can actually get it from just here. And I'm going to blur this out, but yeah. And then what I really did is I used CCurl and I put it all into Voiceflow, and in Voiceflow all I've got is a capture number. That number is then put into here as a variable. So you do that by typing in your variable that you've created to create the entity actually to get the number there, and you put that in here. And then there's actually an option in all this here's an option to put your webhook in. So what I really did is I went into here, I copied the webhook from make, and then I put it into this here. Yeah. When you can test it out from a Voiceflow and it works from here. But yeah, so essentially when you go, like the way to activate it was a really long way around, but I just wanted to show you guys that it is possible. So for example, if someone wants to book an appointment with your business, you could set this up on your website. This could even be like a thing where you say book here and then the AI calls you. But I don't actually like doing outbound stuff. So probably the best way that I like to do this is have it as like an inbound thing. So people call your business with the number. So let's say you've got it put there as your like a Google number that people will call to book your appointment. That's what we could do as well. Or if they call your number, it then gets transferred to this AI appointment setter after a couple rings. So if you're on the roof, or you're doing something, or you're sleeping, or you're out walking the dogs, this will actually take the call for you and then book the appointments or whatever you really need. Yeah, in this scenario, what I actually did is I haven't set it up with the calendar, but I just put in like a blanket JSON file in the prompt with the availabilities, and the Monday at 11 a.m. was actually unavailable, which is why I gave us the 2 other slots. I actually liked how it then went back and did something with a 3 p.m. booking. Okay, just to summarize what we did, use this pretty thing. If you're wondering what this is actually using Voiceglow. I'll show you how that looks like on the inside. So Voiceglow is like a front end for Voiceflow, and this is really cool. And I was actually going to do a more deeper video on this later, but you can actually have a lot of cool stuff here. So you can keep track of all your convos. You can even extract or export as text or CSV. You can even hook it up to WhatsApp, Discord, and Google Business Chat, which is bloody awesome. And there's a bunch of other stuff here as well. You can actually upload your knowledge documents, but this whole video is more about the voice calling. So I'll do a whole nother video on Voiceflow and just this in a few days' time. So as you can see, we were able to take a call, and then that information got put into our Airtable. And yeah, this could also be synced with your Google Calendar or Calendly, I believe. I haven't tried it with Calendly. We're gonna have to test it out. And I think our next video might be just play around with Vapey and see how we go there. If you are a business owner and you're looking to have something like this installed on your system, see if you're the right fit and book a call with us via the Calendly link below. And if you're an AI automation agency owner, you're welcome to get in contact with me that way too. Or even through LinkedIn, that might be a little bit better. I'm just starting to get started on there too. All right, signing out.